Hey y'all, it's Shelly. I was fortunate enough to be asked by the brand to receive this as a gift to quickly review it for you guys to see what I thought about it. It is a gaming mouse pad with charging for iPhone or earphones or like earbuds, right? So it does come nicely packed in this box. So looks like here's the actual mouse pad. Good length, that's for sure. Covers the whole span of this table. All right, and then it does come with the USB cord and then the wall block as well. So the cord that they give you, you'll just plug one into this side right there, and then you will plug the other end into the block that they give you, and then plug that into just a normal wall outlet. And it does start lighting up. Let me turn the light off so you can see it a little bit better. You can see it does light up. It's just changing colors all on its own. So I think my son will love this because he is a big time gamer, so he will love that it changes colors while he's playing his game. Right down here, you can set your AirPod and then your phone right there if it's magnetically able to be charged. One cord to charge your AirPods, earbuds, earphones, and your phone. So here's just another look so you can see it a little bit better that you can put your earphones right there and then you can just lay your phone right there. It's got 14 different light modes. It's very smooth, almost like a neoprene type. It's got the anti-slip rubber mat, which is nice. So if you have a wooden desk with a really slippery surface, this thing's not going to slip and slide on you, especially if you're gaming. So this thing is going to be really cool. I think my kids are really going to like it. They have room on it for say their keypad and then a mouse and then different things sitting over here, whether it's their Xbox controller or things, and then they can have their stuff charging over here. I would definitely recommend this.